In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira dashboard in 2025. Whether you're a project manager, a team leader, or someone who just loves staying organized, a Jira dashboard provides you a powerful way to visualize projects and track their progress. So let's dive in and walk through the steps to create your very own dashboard. First, you'll need to head over to Jira. Once you're in, go straight to the main menu where you'll find an option labeled Dashboards. Click on that and it will take you to the area where you can manage and create new dashboards. Here you're going to select Create Dashboard, which begins the process of setting up your workspace for easy project oversight. Next, you'll need to focus on naming your dashboard. It's important to come up with a name that is both clear and descriptive. This will help you and your team easily identify what the dashboard is used for and prevent any confusion later on. Once you've picked out a perfect name, it's time to add a description. This doesn't have to be lengthy. A brief explanation of the dashboard's purpose is more than sufficient. Think of this as a way to quickly communicate what information others can expect to find by using this particular dashboard. After naming and describing your dashboard, you'll need to decide on permissions. Permissions are crucial because they let you control who can view and edit your dashboard. Evaluate who needs access to this information, and set the permissions accordingly to ensure that only the right people have the ability to make changes or view sensitive data. With the permission set, click on Add Gadget. This is where you'll be able to incorporate various tools to enhance your dashboard. You'll be presented with a wide array of available gadgets. Spend some time browsing through these options to select the ones that best align with your tracking needs. Some popular gadgets include the Sprint Progress tool, which helps you monitor the completion of sprints and identify potential bottlenecks. There's also the Gantt chart for displaying project timelines and dependencies, as well as the Burn Down chart to track progress and detect any potential roadblocks. If these don't fit your particular needs, you can explore additional options by checking out the custom gadgets available in the Atlassian marketplace. At the top right of your dashboard, you'll find the Change Layout option. This allows you to update the dashboard's layout to best display the information your gadgets are generating. Feel free to drag and drop gadgets as needed to organize the data for optimal understanding and activity tracking. Finally, don't forget to save your dashboard once you're satisfied with how it looks and functions. You can then share it with your team members to foster collaboration and ensure everyone is on the same page with project tracking. And that's it. You've successfully created a Jira dashboard. Keep this up to date and you'll have a dynamic resource for insightful project management.